So this demo AI agent is something you can quickly spin up and try talking to the AI agent. It can quickly learn how to understand your data, and it can also send emails to whoever you tell it to using natural language. So to start using it, you just need to fill in the last missing bits. The first one is here under AI agent. You'll need to connect to your OpenAI account. I'll link the page where you can get your own API key to connect to this account. You'll need to purchase some credits on the OpenAI platform. I'll link the page in the instructions for this template. And then if you want the agent to understand your data, you can link a spreadsheet with some of your custom information right here. So you'll connect to your Google account and select the spreadsheet here. If you don't have a spreadsheet or you don't want to connect your data, I'll link a sample spreadsheet that you can quickly copy using one click, also in the instructions for this template. So once you've connected your OpenAI account and a spreadsheet with some information, you can just hit Start Flow. And then you'll go to this URL that you can get from this chat trigger right here. It's the chat URL right here. You just copy that, and it's going to open a live chat interface where you can just start talking to the agent. It's going to understand your data and also be able to send emails.